Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel CADxMACHINES, and in today's video I am starting a new video series on sheet metal fundamental, and this is the first video of the series. This video is going to be very helpful for those people who are preparing for interviews in sheet metal industry for designers role, and I will start from these questions that may come in one's mind while preparing for the interview. And these questions are: what is sheet metal? What are different material grades and standards? What is the application of sheet metal? And what are the manufacturing processes in sheet metal industry? What are the major manufacturing processes? And what are the cutting operations that are being used? And also we will discuss about the major processes like laser cutting and shearing and punching and forming operations will be bending and die forming. Let's start. And first question that may come in one's mind is, what is sheet metal? We can break sheet metal into two words, which is sheet and metal. That means metal in the form of sheets are called sheet metals. And given it a engineering specification, and engineering specification is the thickness. If the thickness of that sheet varies from zero point 0.5 to 6 millimeter, then this comes under the sheet metal category of material. And next question is, what are the different materials and grades and standards that are being used in the currently in the industry? I have prepared a table for you that you can watch. In the first column, I have given materials. In second column, I have given common grades, and in the third column, I have given the respective application areas. For example, if we discuss about the aluminium, it is comes under the common grades like 5052, 6061, which is very common grades in the Indian industry. And this material is very good for the lightweight and corrosion resistant applications. For example, if we require some mountings that are exposed to the corrosive environment, and they require both corrosion resistant as well as strength, then we can use material like aluminium. And next is ss is also very popular for application in the corrosion resistant area, and also very popular for strength purpose. So it is having both qualities like strength as well as corrosion resistant. So whenever we require strength as well as corrosion resistant, then we can use SS, and SS comes under these grades like 304, 316, 416, and it is best for structural high hygiene area like in the pharmaceutical industry, where the material is exposed to various kinds of chemicals, and so it should be resistant to chemicals. Then we can use this material SS. And next material is carbon steel, which is again very popular. It is being what comes under the grades like A36, 1008, and 1010. This is AISI 1010, which is American standard. And this carbon steel is also very economical, and it is mostly general purpose applications like normal enclosures, boxes, electrical enclosures. So whenever structural strength and high weldability is required, we use carbon steels. And next material grade is galvanized steel, and this comes under the common grades like G60, G90, and it is best for cost-effective rust prevention and HVAC applications. And next is material is copper oblique brass. So it comes under the grades like C110, C260, and this is very popular for the electrical conductivity. Whenever the electrical conductivity is required, then copper and brass sheet metal is very popular for those applications. And also some Indian standards like IS 2062, IS 513 are very popular in the sheet metal industry, and some special grades like CR and HR. CR stands for cold rolled steels. It comes under various thicknesses like starting from zero point 0.5 and going up to 6 millimeters in thickness, and same for HR also. And these are very popular in India. Next is what are the application of sheet metal. So as you can see in the attached images, I have attached in the center is some electrical enclosure like it may be MCB box, and in the right hand side this is the car body and also called VIW and body in white. This is the very popular material that is sheet metal, of course sheet metal. And in the left hand side I have shown an machine enclosure, and these enclosures you may have seen in the industry in the laboratory area, specifically when the environment of the operation should be enclosed inside an enclosure. So that's where the application of sheet metal enclosures comes into picture. And what are the sheet metal processes in the sheet metal industry? So here I have mentioned one, two, three, four major processes in the sheet metal industry. First one is the cutting operation in the left hand side. This is the shearing operations where the metal is cut with the help of shearing, and this is similar to the as we cut the cloth using the scissors. So this scissor mechanism also used in the metal cutting industry. And in the center, you are able to see the laser cutting operation. This is very popular operation among all the cutting operations because it is cost effective as well as time effective, because cutting speed is quite fast in the laser cutting. So uh, um, it is quite useful in the prototype development industry. And next is the punching and die. This material in the blue color is formed with the help of punch and die, and this one is the bending operation, and this is also very popular in the industry. And some other processes like deep drawing, um, blanking, punching, laser cutting, shearing are also very popular. So that's all in this video. I will see you in the next video, and do consider subscribing if you have found some value through my video. And I will be keep posting such videos, and I will see you in the next video. And if you have any questions or queries, then please send me in the comment sections, and also let me know on which topic you want to make me video for you, so that it is very helpful for you. I will see you in the next video. Till then, thank you.